We want to give a special thanks to Moose for sending us this box as a gift to review. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Shopkins Happy Places Royal Trends. Moose sent us this giant box. What's inside? Shopkins has a new theme this year. It's all about that royal glam. This box is full of stuff, like the Sweet Kitty candy bar, Royal Ruby. What's this? Ooh, the Moon Bunny bedroom. This one is a car? It's the Royal Convertible. What else can I reach? Little tiny surprise boxes. Includes one surprise little pet and one royal crown bed. Here is Princess Beryl. Ah, we have the prince. Queen Beehive. Fabulous Fox Vanity. And last but not least, the Royal Castle. Wow, there was a lot of stuff in that box. Then I took a quick trip to Target and found Princess Armanda, Cupcake Queenie, Jimmy Corn, and the Squirrel Palace Party. Where do we start? Let's start with the playsets. We have 4 to look at. Online, I saw these priced around $14.88. Each one comes with a little shoppy that has a new Easy Pop skirt, recommended for ages 4 and up. On the back of the box, it says, "Welcome to a land of royal trends where happiness never ends. Your little shoppy has become a beautiful princess with her Easy Pop skirt. She is now ready to impress with her party dress. Help decorate her royal castle with cute petkin accessories. There are so many royal faces to help make more happy places." Let's take this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, they come with a doll stand to help display the little shoppy. This is Princess Glossy. She has a metallic crown in her hair, a removable pink dress, a skirt that we can pop on to create a long gown. She comes with the Fabulous Fox Vanity. It has a giant drawer across the top, a reflective mirror, chair, footstool, perfume, and a compact that can open. There was a collector's guide included showing all of the princesses in this collection on the front. Inside, we can see all of the different playsets. And the packaging includes a usable background. Now, I don't know if they meant to do that, but it's a total plus. If you have more than one, trim the edges to make them flat. Use tape to make a folding doll room. Cut scrapbook paper, glue it onto poster board, make 2, glue them to the first and last wall to make a large folding room that can fold flat for easy storage. And we have plenty of space to display our collection. Princess Moondream comes with the Moon Bunny bedroom. The bed has fabric covers, and they're very, very soft. It also comes with an oversized bunny chair, nightstand, a Moon Bunny lamp, pillow, star bunny mirror, and a pop skirt. That's a pretty cute collection. Combining these 2 packs gives us a royal bedroom, fit for a princess. If we walk around the corner, we can hang out with Princess Katie Pops. Wearing a metallic blue crown, blue dress, blue shoes, has a blue pop skirt, the Sweet Kitty candy bar. It comes with 2 containers of candy, a small cart with what looks like mug cakes to me. Princess Pretty Pressy joins the party with her metallic gold crown and pop skirt. She comes with the Squirrel Palace Party that has a DJ booth that looks like stacks of presents, a balloon table that holds a punch bowl. We have a tiny cup and balloon decorations, giving our little shoppies the perfect place for a party. We're having a royal party? We need more guests! Our guests can roll up in style with the royal convertible. Tiara Sparkles shows up with a gold convertible. There are some shiny gold details on the front. The hood can open, making storage for a spare tire. There is storage in the trunk for the included basket, thermos, where you can remove the top, and a box of chocolates with a chocolate petkin. There is also a small card and a key. The steering wheel turns but does not control the wheels. The doors open, so Tiara Sparkles in her pink dress with a pop skirt can bring more friends to the party. Online, I have seen the single dolls priced at $4.99 each. This is Cupcake Queenie. Her crown is not metallic, it's just a gold color. Her dress is kind of shiny. She comes with a pink and white pop skirt and a doll stand. In the bottom of the box, we found a collector's guide showing us all of the single dolls in this collection, like Princess Brill, Princess Armanda, Queen Beehive, that's Behave, and Prince Rowan Ruby. All of the girls come with a pop skirt to transform their look, and the prince comes with a cape. The only one we don't have is Princess Gracie Feathers. Aww, and her dress is cute. But we do have two ponies, also priced at $4.99. Royal Ruby with a tiara, and Gemmicorn with wings. Whoa, it's getting kind of crowded in here. We might need more space. Oops, excuse me. So let's jump into the car and drive over to the Royal Castle. Online, I have seen this priced at $29.99. It comes with an exclusive Gemma Stone little shoppy and petkin accessories. Out of the box, it looks like it's already assembled. The castle has 3 levels. On the first floor, there are little steps leading into the castle. There are 2 circular rooms on the inside. Upstairs, there is a wardrobe that can spin where we can store our dresses and skirts. We can spin it around when trying to decide on which dress to wear. Gemma's fashion accessory is a complete dress and not just a skirt, so she can completely change her look. The mirror is very silvery and it flips down for a glitter effect. If we go to the very top, there is a gem display for our little shoppies and a spinning rooftop tea party where we can place our little table petkin, a princess, then spin it around. There is also a throne petkin and a chandelier that hangs from the ceiling. We can use the play sets to decorate our castle. Unfortunately, it is not large enough to hold all of them. So we would have to switch out the accessories while playing to pretend like we're going into different rooms. Or expand the castle by using more than one. Hey, my mirrors are different. This one is not very reflective. It just looks like aluminum foil. And I thought it was a coating that's something I had to peel off, but no, it's that way. Whereas on this new castle, we have a real mirror that's all nice and reflective. I'm guessing that this mirror was put on backwards, so hopefully I'm the only one. But with the expanded castle, we can definitely display more of the collection. And maybe there's space for a couple little pets. They are $2.99 each. On top, you can see a royal crown bed. There are lots of different styles. For ages 4 and up, let's open this and see our first pet. It should be inside the box. Oh, there's a collector's guide. And our first little royal pet is a bunny. It's a cute little pink bunny wearing a purple crown, and I think that's a gold scarf or like a bandana. Place the bunny right in the crown bed so it's nice and comfy. Open up the collector's guide, and we can see that there are about 39 pets to collect, including 6 limited edition pets. Our little bunny is Crescent Crown, and there are 2 more bunnies to collect. Ooh, Dreamy Hops looks so cute. There are horses and unicorns. Let's open all of these. I need a baby unicorn. This time I have a purple crown bed, and our pet is something adorable. Oh, it's one of the little berry ones, the grape pets. Pup Berry, who must belong to this princess. This one has a blue crown bed, and our little pet inside is Berry Honey. I like how the pets have the same themes as the Shoppies. But all I really want is a baby unicorn, to tell you the truth. I just want a baby unicorn. This is Grift. It's a little squirrel. You can hang out over there. I am still searching for those baby unicorns. They're not limited edition, so come on, they shouldn't be that difficult to find. This is Flora Honey. So we got all of the little bears, but we need a baby unicorn. So we have an entire box of Royal Trends little pets. Yep, this might take a while. Whoa, it's a sea of pets. And I am proud to say we found the horses, Crimson and Ruby Canter, and we found the unicorns, Little Wings and Crystal Wings. That was an entire case of little pets, and we still didn't find a limited edition. But I'm okay with that because we found the horses and unicorns. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Shopkins Happy Places Royal Trends. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.